In this video, I will show you how to access OnlyFans without a card, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So in this case, you might be wondering how to access OnlyFans here without using any card, but the thing here is with OnlyFans is the platform itself is free. But in this case, for you to access some content or some user post, you need to actually buy a subscription, but then again there are still free content that you can access OnlyFans. So the first thing you want to do is here you want to open up your browser and go to the onlyfans.com, and from here you want to go ahead and log into your account. So just log into your account here, and from here you want to go ahead and start searching for user that actually has free content. Now in this case I'm going to search for this user here. In this case you should be able to basically subscribe to them. As you can see right now, this is the account that I'm talking about. In this case the user actually offer a free subscription, so in this case you could go ahead and click on the subscribe here for free, and you should be able to start accessing their content. But then again, some users don't have free subscription like what we saw before. But in this case, you can still subscribe to free content here, and that's it, you are done.